have done the intro part. Now we'll be looking on the vocal part. So it starts, the first line goes like this. Okay, so we have a B minor scale in that. So we start on the third string. So we go 6 7 6 7 on the third string. Then we go 6 6, again 7 on the third string. So we have series of 6 7 6 7 6 6 7. Then we go second string 5th fret. Then we go 6 7 back to third string. So from first. So next line again it starts with the 6th fret on the third string. We go twice, 7, then again 5 on the second string, then 6 7 on the third string. So together now. So next we go again, start from 6 7 and slide 5 to 7 on the second string. Then again after slide back, come back to the 5th fret on the second string, then 6 7 again on the third string. So slowly. Then again we start in the same way. So we start on again 6 7. Then we go 6 6 7, back to 5 on the second string, back to 6 7. So it will be. So the ending will go like this. So we go third string 4 7 6 4 7 on the fourth string. So that's the first vocal part. So whole thing together. So after that again it repeats and again it goes back to. So we ended the first part on the 7th fret of 4th string. So next we continue with the next line. So we go 4th fret on the 3rd string. You gotta do pull off from 7 6 4. So just hold 4th fret on the 3rd string, then 6th fret on the 3rd string. So you gotta play the 7th fret. So then ending on the 7th fret of the 4th string. So from there, so we come. So next line. So we go 7 on the 4th string. So 2 times 7 on the 4th string. Then 6 4 on the 3rd string. Then 5 on the 4th string. So next we go 5 7 to 5 pull off on the 4th string, then 4 on the 4th string. So then we slide from 4 to 6 on the 3rd string. then we do hammer on and pull off from 6 to 7, then end on 4. So that we do the same thing twice. So whole thing I'll play now. So after this again we have